Welcome back to the Hey Tiff Show. I'm Tiffany Botel, and today we're breaking down a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of property management: facilities management. Effective facilities management is key to ensuring buildings are safe, efficient, and comfortable, which directly impacts tenant satisfaction and business success. In this episode, I'll explain what facilities management is and what it entails, the key roles involved, and why it's so important to maintaining high standards in any property. So what exactly is facilities management? At its core, it involves the upkeep, safety, and operational efficiency of a building and its systems. Whether it's ensuring HVAC systems are functioning properly, managing budgets, or optimizing space usage, facilities management is vital for smooth day-to-day operations. Let's break down some of the key functions. Maintenance management, regular upkeep and preventative maintenance to avoid costly repairs. Safety and compliance, ensuring that buildings adhere to health and safety standards. Space management, optimizing space to improve productivity and comfort. Sustainability efforts, implementing energy efficient practices to reduce costs and environmental impact. A skilled facilities manager is essential for coordinating these tasks, managing budgets and ensuring compliance. They play a crucial role in keeping the facilities running smoothly and efficiently. In summary, effective facilities management is crucial for any business aiming to maintain productive, safe, and sustainable environment. For more detailed information and tips on facilities management, visit our blog at pmva.com.au. And of course, if you found this episode helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your real estate network. Thanks for tuning in to the Hey Tiff Show. I'm Tiffany Botel, and I'll see you next time with even more insights to elevate your property management practices.